Hi everyone, Timotheus here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're venturing into the exciting world of online business and exploring a powerful tool that can help you build a thriving online presence. It's called Authority Hacker. Let's face it, the online world can feel like a wild jungle at times. With endless platforms, strategies, and courses vying for your attention, it's easy to get lost in the foliage, metaphorically speaking, of course. But fear not, my fellow entrepreneurs. Today, we're here to equip you with the knowledge to navigate this jungle and choose the tools that can help you achieve online success. Authority Hacker is a leading name in online marketing education, specifically focused on helping you to build and grow successful authority sites. These are websites that establish themselves as trusted resources with a particular niche. They attract a loyal audience and have the potential to generate income through various monetization methods. Whether you're a complete online beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur looking to refine your strategies, Authority Hacker could be a valuable resource. Their core program, the Authority Site System, TASS for short, is a comprehensive course that takes you step by step through building an authority site. Learn search engine optimization (SEO) strategies to rank high in search results and attract organic traffic to your site. Discover how to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Unlock the secrets of various monetization strategies from affiliate marketing to advertising to turn your website into a revenue generator. Plus many more. Here's what you can expect to gain by using Authority Hacker. You can become an authority figure by following TASS and implementing the strategies. You can establish yourself as a trusted voice within your niche. Improved SEO and engaging content creation techniques can significantly increase your website traffic, bringing in more potential customers. Authority sites hold the power to generate passive income, allowing you to earn revenue while you sleep. Well, maybe not literally, but you get the idea. Now, everything has its pros and cons. Here are a couple of points to consider when with Authority Hacker. TASS isn't a free course. There's a cost involved, so make sure it aligns with your budget. Building a successful authority site takes time and dedication. Implementing the strategies and creating high-quality content requires consistent effort. While Authority Hacker is a great option, it's not the only game in town. Let's talk about Wealthy Affiliate, another popular platform for online marketing education. Wealthy Affiliate offers some key features that might appeal to certain users. For a start, there's this free starter membership. This is a huge perk. You can test drive the platform before committing any money. And then you can connect with other entrepreneurs, asking questions and share experiences through Wealthy Affiliate's vibrant online community. While Authority Hacker has a laser focus on building authority sites, Wealthy Affiliate offers a broader range of training modules covering various aspects of online business building. So which platform is right for you? Here's my 2 cents worth. Authority Hacker is ideal for niche-specific entrepreneurs with a clear vision for building an authority site and the budget to invest in a comprehensive course. As for Wealthy Affiliate, it's a compelling alternative for beginners or those on a tighter budget, thanks to its free starter membership and broader online business focus. The online world is packed with opportunities. Authority Hacker is a valuable tool that can equip you with the knowledge and strategies to build a thriving online business. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Research both platforms, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the one that aligns with your unique goals. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.